everyone, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm, and today I am making soap number 3 of the Sparkle series, and this one is Berry Flirt. This fragrance is from Aztec Candles, and if you guys don't know about Aztec Candles, I am not sponsored by them, but they do have supplies for candle making and also for soap making, and they have the amazing fragrances, so go check them out. AztecCandle.com, I believe they are. So today I'm making the soap number 3 from the Sparkle series, and it is going to be like a reddish pink soap, and of course I'm going to be using the sparkles from Mad Micas and the fragrance again that I just mentioned from Aztec Candles. So let's start the soap making. I am super excited. I've been getting a lot of videos and pictures through Instagrams of all of your soap making, and I am so proud of you guys. They are coming out so nice. I definitely encourage you guys to keep on doing these soaps for your families, for friends, or even to sell. So kudos to you guys. I am really happy to hear some fabulous stories of your soap making, and I'm really proud of you guys. You're doing amazing. If you hear some weird sound, it's actually raining a lot around here and also thundering. So you might be hearing just raindrops or the thunder. But we're safe at home doing this awesome soap. So yeah, I just mixed my Lye Water to my oils. And for those of you that want to know step by step, I highly recommend to watch my other videos. I do have a one that's very detailed, and it talks about all the hot process steps. So if you want to learn how to do the soap, I would highly recommend you watch that video, and it will teach you how to do the hot process method. Again, if you are new to my video, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more videos like this, just go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your family. It's November when I'm doing this video, so I want to ask you a question. What are your plans for this holiday 2020? I know that normally, traditionally, I make a big Thanksgiving dinner with my family, my sisters, my father, my mom, and the kids. But this year, I'm actually staying home. We're not gathering. We're taking it, easy and be safe. But what are your plans? What's your Thanksgiving plans, and what's your Christmas plans? Comment down below. I would love to hear from all of you guys. I know this sounds very repetitive, but this was 237 degrees, so please make sure you're wearing gloves when you're doing hot process. Make sure you're wearing goggles or your glasses, long sleeve, closed shoes. I highly recommend no pets, no kids around you at this time, and a well-ventilated area. This soap, right now, it will pop some bubbles, as you can see, when you turn it or when you mix it with the blender, and that might just pop up and drop on your arms or on your feet. So this is why I highly recommend that you wear your protective gear so you don't burn your skin. When this cools down, as mentioned, this becomes soap and it's ready to use. Even though I highly recommend maybe 3 to 4 weeks of curing, so it hardens and it's a good solid soap. But in this form right now, in this stage, it's really hot, so please protect yourself. So here we're doing the final stages. I'm adding my glitter, biodegradable glitter from Mad Micas, and this is color Sparkle Me Gold. I love these little sparkle bottles from Mad Micas. I highly recommend them. So now it is done. This is 24 hours later. This smells yummy. I love the mix of berries that I think it's called Berry Flirt from Aztec Candles has. And this soap came out so pretty. The fragrance is so amazing. It's not overpowering. It's very light berry smells. And again, I love the fact that the sparkles came out pretty on top, but the colors didn't mix through with hot process, which is very common, but it makes it look like it's sparkle from inside out. I just love the way the soap came out. Look how beautiful. The center, the top is amazing. And Mad Micas makes other sparkles, but they don't only do gold. They have blues and reds and light glittery sparkle. So I highly recommend them. Check them out. The good thing is they're biodegradable. They're not going to harm your skin, but they make your soap look very pretty. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to let you see the final cuts and the final pictures. And again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share. till the next time, our fourth soap is coming very soon, in about a week from now. So I will definitely put the last soap up there and maybe a bonus soap. I'm gonna check and see what I'm gonna do for you guys. Thank you again, and guys, keep on sending me pictures of your soap making through Instagram. My Instagram is @OldTownCharm. I would love to see your products. I'm so impressed with all of you guys. Keep on working on those soaps, and till next time, bye.